Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot some common Steam issues. Most of the times people may have some issues to load up a game. For example, sometimes you may want to open a game and for some reason it doesn't load. Most of the times, in order to fix this issue, all you need to do is head over to the game on your games tab, click on the little settings cogwheel. From here, click on properties, head over to installed files, and from here, click on verify integrity of game files. This is just to make sure that there are no corrupted files, and if there is, it will then show down here on the downloads if it's downloading any new files. Then from there, try clicking play again. Sometimes if that doesn't work, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the game, or if you have multiple different drives, try moving the game to a different drive. Do this, go to the games tab and click on the manage cogwheel again, click on properties. Then from here, click on installed files and click move install folder. And then from here, just choose a different drive that you have and move it to that other drive. You'll see it will be downloading here at the bottom again. Once it's done downloading, try clicking play again. If you're still having issues, then be sure to try using the community tab for help. Most of the times, if you're having issues, someone may have had a similar issue to you. So if you just head to the community tab of the game that you're having issues with, click on discussions, and from here you can search discussions, or you can scroll through the discussions here and see if you can find anyone who has the same issue as you and see if anyone has replied with a fix. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.